Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Welo bar. This is a Welo bar. This is the double chocolate flavor. I've done reviews for their mixed berry and their apple cinnamon. My favorite so far is the apple cinnamon, so we're going to do a review of this one. You guys want to read the ingredients, pause the video first. Here it is. There you go. Pause the video if you want to read that. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, so this is their double chocolate. As you can see, the chocolate is pretty much melting everywhere, so let's do a quick taste test. It's not bad, but it has no sweetness or anything like that. Pretty bland. The cacao taste is not even, it's there, but it's very mild. Actually, my favorite still is the apple cinnamon, guys. So if you like chocolate, you can try this one, but apple cinnamon is my favorite. If you guys have any questions, comments, post, subscribe to the channel.